Oh my god, I haven't done this in so long. Alright, so what's going on? It's Jacob, and today is a big day. Don't want to underneath the fan. Today I'm building my PC, so yeah, I'm gonna go out and grab my keyboard real quick. But I'm gonna go out there, I'm gonna show you all the parts that we got, and then we're gonna put it together, and then I'm gonna edit the video on this, and I'll show y'all everything once it's all done, and I'm gonna do the build process. So yeah, let's go.
First things are
I remember choking in the middle of the night.
yeah. Scared. I was sound asleep, and you did that. I had a hard time going back to sleep. I was like worried about you.
Oh,
Now I'm better.
Can you film later after us talk?
No, it's fine.
Without us talking and then talking.
Is this good? Because it won't fit without that, right?
So it goes on like this.
Out this way.
We have to like push it down.
That's cool. That's the brain. Why are you shaking, Jacob?
Brains.
You need to drink.
Brains.
Do you know which way to go?
Guessing like this.
Are you sure? Because you don't want to put it in wrong.
It should be indexed.
What does that mean, man?
See these nubs?
Yeah, so they should.
Yes. Yeah. It should just pop in. Yeah. There you go.
So do you want to put your cooler?
What?
Who's got a cooler?
Take that off. There you go.
Well, I mean, you didn't really take it off yet, because I still gotta like.
Oh yeah, that plastic piece was just.
There you go. All right, motherboard's in.
Or that processor's in.
Processor's in.
So what's this? This is the cooler that goes on top?
Yes. If you want to put that on.
Holy
you're on that
crap,
side.
what a... Holy smokes.
Try putting it the other way. Like that, yeah.
Is that gonna mount on there?
Yeah.
We'll put that on later. But holy smokes. Keep that puppy covered.
Oh, wait.
It may not. Oh crap.
Wait, turn
There's
upside.
all
What are you
kinds of little
doing?
brackets. There's
That's
all
the
kinds
bottom.
Is that for real?
Yeah, that's the
Oh,
bottom.
okay.
That's the part
Yeah,
that it
we're
goes
done.
on.
So that it goes like that.
Yeah, it would really go like that, or you'll turn
It's
it.
got brackets over there and stuff to
It's like
adjust it.
what? Yeah, because that's the this part's actually the
Yeah, the part you need
you
to...
put the paste on.
Yeah, okay.
So you gotta make sure that it's the right direction before you
Yeah.
take that off.
Which the paste like isn't. It's not like adhesive or anything.
So that's one thing
It's
to do
just
at the
like
end.
conductive. Yeah, it'll do it towards the end.
Okay. Should we put this in?
Wow, that is way cool.
It's just like a
Nerd alert.
Man, this is kind of making me want to build one.
No, you don't.
No.
You don't.
Great. Thank you, Jacob.
Come on, Mr. Engineer.
He's the electrical engineer. That's my first time.
This is my first time building one.
He's an electrical engineer.
Let's see. We have the motherboard here.
That's not the motherboard.
Or, sorry, the power.
You're fired.
You fired.
Drivers.
There's that.
Graphics card, RAM's right there.
Coffee,
Okay.
tea.
Here, between me and my drink.
We got processors.
Processor's already in.
Call it cameras.
So, where's the screws that came with the motherboard?
You took them.
They're right here. Okay. All right, just make sure we still have them. Because those will actually, some of these may go in. But
Well, there's a few guides I see for it too.
Whoa.
That's for the. Are we doing that now, Matthew?
I just want to look at it, see what kind of paste you get. Okay. And see if there's anything we can install now.
I mean the RAM, but if we put that in, we could just put the RAM in then.
Yeah, we can put the RAM in whatever.
But why don't we put the cooler on now?
No, because it's going to be easier to put the cooler on.
Because I want to put the motherboard in there.
I mean, I don't think it really matters. To be honest.
What?
You can do it, whatever.
Okay, so
I'm
there's
just
these
the
two
camera
guides
person.
here.
My concern if we put the cooler on when it's in, it's just going to be harder to get to all the screws. So you're gonna be like,
Okay.
man.
Okay.
And that's why
How are you gonna? How are you gonna be?
I'm not doing it again. It's a one-time thing.
So where are the
We should
guides?
Put the cooler on.
Let's
Let's
do
do
it temporary.
Yes,
Jacob,
ma'am.
set that up
And
here.
they said yes. What?
Sit this up in here. Let's see where the guides are, because these will need to be put down here somewhere, depending upon your holes. So
Depending on your holes.
so looking at that
Oh, it tells you.
and this,
That's cool.
so these two, it's not that fragile. You're thinking it's more fragile than it is, but these are your guides right here. See that one and
Yeah.
that one? So here and here are the
Yeah.
main guides.
That's what I was saying.
So
Yeah.
we're gonna have to come up with like this guide and this one over here.
Okay.
So we need to make sure, ouch. Okay, I got it. Hold on.
You got it.
Okay,
Hold on.
here we go. Take that.
Dang,
You
you
good?
pay attention.
So inside here, you're gonna take, because I'm not doing it, so if it messes up, it's your fault. But see those two little,
now? But don't we have to put the motherboard in there?
yeah.
Aren't we
but-
putting the cooler on?
Hold on, but this needs to go here,
It's too many cooks in the
Screwed in.
kitchen.
and this goes, and that one goes there. So you need to put those in there. Not there, here, and here.
Where's the kit from the case?
Case.
I don't know, Patrick, what'd you do with it?
The case?
The case kit.
It's gonna be a whole long video.
Just glad I had to dig that out of a drawer. It hadn't been used in 30 years. I knew it'd be used someday. Are there more of those?
Yeah.
Because it would be good to have some other points. So let's pick up the motherboard again.
Wait, I know where they're going.
I'm reading the instructions. That's
Oh my God, who are you?
Well, you're
First I
doing
had
the
to-
coolers, so that's fine.
Like you did not get that from your father.
Obviously.
There's pictures. We're good.
At first you don't succeed, try, then read the directions.
There's not too many tries with this, though.
so. I'm
Tries?
gonna take the instructions over the table and read them.
That's for the processor. Or the CPU.
I know I'm taking all the instructions over to the table and I'm gonna read them.
It's gonna be your tech
What do we do
support.
in the meantime, Matthew?
We're just gonna put the motherboard in. We'll have it together for time he reads those instructions.
No, because he...
We're just gonna put it together. It might be wrong, but we're gonna put it together.
Do you want to put the...
This
Matthew,
screw,
wait,
hey,
do
it
you
looks
wanna
like it'll fit in there.
do this? Because that is just plugging it in.
Yeah, those.
Well, this you have to. There's a support mount for it.
Yeah, we're not there yet. So if you want to...
This says we are there.
This does not say... We're not even there. We're not even there.
Then go in. Then I'm just saying. I'm trying to look ahead.
Well,
He's
And
trying
y'all
to look
like-
at
He's
the-
reading ahead.
Matthew, are we putting the fan on? The cooler.
So it's
Where's the
already.
instructions for
You
the
said that had that
motherboard?
gel stuff. Look, you pull that off, and it's probably right there.
It's not.
Motherboard's right here.
I wouldn't pull it off.
Hey Rick, don't pull it off. He just said don't pull it off.
I showed you the pace. I was reading it like 2 seconds ago.
Don't tell me that.
Oh my god. Scouty shark, you see.
Yeah, building your PC system. Okay, I had to write one of these.
It has to go like this, because if you went like that, it's interfering with the RAM. So it's gonna have to go like that.
Didn't Matthew say that?
Is that right?
It's about to come out my nose.
Okay, Matthew, let's just get, because that's done.
I'm trying not to break your system.
No.
So I'm gonna read the instructions.
So you figure out how to install that massive ass fan.
Here. Okay.
Chin.
Here.
I'm gonna go back to my house. So this goes. There's a piece.
These, right? That's what you needed.
This will go on the bottom,
Dang, the battery's already flashing.
and then there should be screws.
You don't have to put the whole thing.
But y'all's reactions are amazing. It's like I'm a cameraman at Modern Family.
Put the screens over there.
Okay.
We're gonna sit over here for a second.
Like I moved everything off. Okay.
This whole thing done before he comes back. You good? You close. Matthew, you ready?
Yeah.
Do you want to put it?
I think you should do it because it's your computer.
Oh God.
He's licking my feet. I can't.
Maybe a little bit more on these.
I was thinking a little more on this end.
That one.
Yeah, just a little more.
Think that's good?
I found out.
Alright. Throw that on. I'll screw them in. Oh yeah. Just no.
You better be sure to, in your video, say that I've never done this before.
He's never done this before. I have also never done this before. I want to make so many people mad.
Oh yeah, you're gonna make a ton of people
I want
mad.
to make so many people mad.
They're gonna be like, "Where's your grounding? Your grounding
Station.
grounding brand or whatever?"
They think that nerds know how to read?
Needs to go in there. Dang.
What are we looking?
I'm just
Needs to
kidding.
go back on.
You're gonna choose. Take your shoes off. It's gonna have to, this side's gonna have to go in first. There you go. Just like it. Here. Alright. Can I get the light in here? Okay.
See, there you go. Toward the back window. There you go. Push it in. There you go. Right there. Not good? I just gotta go through that though, doesn't it? They're lined up.
Over here. One second. Back it up just a little bit. Back it up. Back it up.
Toward you?
I'm trying.
Okay.
Alright. Now go ahead. Oh, back it up. We're gonna go bolt holes.
You said a butthole?
Bolt holes.
I mean,
Are you lined up
They're-
there?
they're lined up.
How hard are you pushing it? Okay.
They look lined.
Yeah, they're lined. Where's the screwdriver?
You got the screws in there?
Give me a few seconds.
Wow.
What do you need?
It's okay.
You see this index?
I understand the
You gotta
index.
get the index. So you were trying to put it in like that.
Yeah, and
It needs to go like that.
Oh, he had it the wrong. Okay. Put it this in first.
Okay.
Well,
Move
it
your
should
hand,
slide
Patrick.
all like going.
Move your hand, Patrick. There we go.
Slide it that way.
Slide it that way.
There you go.
Now snap it down.
Did you go down far enough?
I didn't hear
Yeah,
it click.
it's down
Yeah,
far.
Did you hear it click? I didn't hear it click.
You didn't.
You sure?
It looks like it's even all the way across the bottom.
That's what I'm saying.
Not me.
Because I think it wasn't sitting low enough.
What are you doing?
Just pulling that out.
Controller, Patrick.
Can you shine the light up here?
It will make it so much easier.
I think you actually had it, to be honest with you.
Do you need me to put it back in?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Here we go.
I'll accept my wrongs. Sorry if I'm getting in your way, though.
I heard it click.
Okay.
There.
It will click. There you go. See?
Yeah. That's it.
I heard it.
You see how that guy came up?
Yeah.
Yep. There you go.
I think I had it the first time.
He did have it the first time. I'll give him that. He did.
There.
No. There.
It clicked.
Now they're in. Alright. Grab a
What's
snack.
next?
Yeah, those fit in there, but man, that's.
I know. I think it'll be fine.
Hold up.
flip
Okay.
that down?
Yeah.
I think it needs to be
Oh my freaking god.
there.
Mm-hmm. It's just a cover, protect the connection.
Yep, it's in.
Okay. Now your screws go in the top, and you should be good. It should be bracketed in.
Oh, that is totally wrong screw guys.
Did it snap in down there?
Yeah, I heard it. Or I saw
You
it.
can use this one too. It's a hex.
Alright.
Yeah, that snap right there. Just make sure that's snapped in. Or you don't have to press it.
Do they not screw in?
No.
Oh.
It has pegs in it, and you snap the pegs in.
And then you
Because
slide
these
this
always
back
have
in.
to
And you just
screw.
slide it.
Alright, cool.
Okay, where's
That's
your
it.
cable?
We'll worry about that in a minute.
Well, you should plug the cable into the back of it and then pulled it up through.
Back of what?
A hard drive.
That's right there.
port's
Oh, it's right there. Okay.
What's the last name? Oh, power supply. So we have two, so if that one doesn't fit,
Why do you have two?
because I accidentally ordered two. Because I forgot where I ordered. I don't know if it's, that's fine.
I want to make sure that it's going the right way.
Yeah, it is. Because these are out and then that's the plug.
Yeah, but does it go this way
Oh,
or
yeah,
upside
yeah.
down or that way?
Oh, here, you can shoot.
So the fan's gonna be down?
Yeah, ventilation. So it's not pushing the hot air
Up into
up.
it.
Yeah, up and down.
So, because the power supply has vents on the back, so it'll just go like this. And it won't get into all of that.
So does it have
But
screws
they-
or screwed?
Did you ever think about how, like, screws, they screw in, but they don't reverse themselves back out?
Oh, I can't.
No matter, even if you pull on them? You ever think about that?
No.
I do not.
Found out why the other day.
Okay.
It's kind of cool.
So what's that?
Learn something new every day.
These are cables for the different things, like the hard drive's going to get a cable, the
Man.
power supply or the GPU's going to get a cable. I'll Google that in a second, make sure.
Do what?
So I'll Google that in a second to make sure.
Google it.
Google it.
Um,
Sorry, hit me. Everybody ready?
Drum roll, please.
See how light come on.
Wait. That's very anti-romantic. Hold on. No, that's on.
oh, frag, turn it off again.
What?
Wait,
I forgot to plug this button in.
Oh, that's why.
I was like, this ain't doing shit.
Yeah, because I told him to.
It don't hurt anything, but it just wasn't in the direction.
okay.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna need to change that, but everything's turned on.
monitor's on, I believe.
Okay, let me try.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. We're good. Delete.
We have to press F4 to set up. All right, gym time.
Oh yeah, I got a drink now. Okay, I need a. This is gonna give me a seizure.
Oh, it's right here. It's right
It
here.
is giving me a seizure. I need more gin.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so my PC is finally built. Got a big shout out to my brother because he helped a lot. Yeah, this is it. Okay, spin it around for you. Yeah. Dude, okay, y'all are all gonna hate me for the cable management, but this is my first build, so don't hate me too much. But yeah, this is it. We're currently working on getting Windows set up in it right now.